In this video, we will review ILM 030205J, Specifications, Objectives 1, 2, and 3. Specifications. Specifications are a set of specific instructions that you use in conjunction with the working drawings or prints for a construction installation. They're usually produced as a separate manual except for small installations where the specifications may be included on the drawings. The information contained in the specifications forms part of the legal contract between the parties involved. The contractors are responsible not only for the work indicated on the prints, but also for that described in the specifications. When you have completed this module, you'll be able to apply specifications to electrical installations. Basically, specifications tell how the construction work is to be done, while the working drawings show where the work is to be done. The information on a print and the information in the specification are intended to enhance and supplement, but not duplicate each other. Objective 1. State the purpose of specifications. Specifications are the written instructions for a construction project. They serve as the rule book for how material is selected, how the work is performed, and who is to perform the work. They provide a written description of the requirements for the construction project and include topics such as, see the list below, legal, who supplies materials, who does what work, workmanship, installation, shop drawings, testing requirements, environmental conditions, and future needs. When designing a building, the architect, engineers, and owner establish what's to be used on the project. Specifications are written to communicate this information to builders. While working on a project, you may encounter conflicting information in the specifications or on the prints. For example, if an electrical plan shows the location of a receptacle in a storage room, you cross-reference this with the specification, but the specification states there's to be no receptacles in the storage room. Do you or do you not install the receptacle? This conflict can be resolved by knowing and applying a hierarchy. The higher level of authority can overrule or change the information given in a lower level. The levels of authority from highest to lowest are the electrical code, the architect, the addendum, any changes, specifications, working drawings. So based on this, you do not install the receptacle. As a general rule, any conflicting information, whether resolved or not, that is not addressed in an addendum should be brought to the attention of the architect so it can be addressed in the future. Complete Objective 1 exercises 1 through 4. Pause the video, and at the end of the video, we'll check our answers. Objective 2. Describe the organization of specifications. Originally, specifications were set up with divisions 1 through 16. All the complex information contained in a set of specifications is typically arranged according to the Construction Specifications Institute, CSI, master format, a design industry that has expanded from the original 16 divisions to 50 in 2004. The information is organized into groups, subgroups, and divisions. These divisions are placed in a standardized order. Within each division, you'll find sections and subsections. It's not necessary to memorize all of these divisions. However, you should have a general idea which divisions deal with the facility subgroups. So Division 1 is always going to be your general requirements. Remember that. That's where you'll find all this general information. From there, it breaks down into different materials and trades. So for instance, Division 22 is plumbing, 23 is heating and ventilation, 25 integrated automation, 26 electrical. Table 1 shows the 35 divisions of work currently in the CSI master format. You'll notice some numbers are skipped to allow for room for future expansion. So we have divisions at the top, then we have sections. The following is a list of some of the commonly used sections within Division 26, electrical as an example. When we look at specification numbers, the first two numbers are the division, the second two numbers are your level 2 sections, and your last two numbers are your level 3 sections, also known as subsections. When we look at our subsections, Part 1, General, this provides information about related work. So for instance, Part 1, General, warranty. Part 2 gives information with respect to materials. So here, Part 2.1, Product, receptacles. And Part 3, Execution. This presents information required for the installation of materials and equipment. So Part 3, Execution, installation of conductors. So again, for Objective 2, complete exercises 1 through 4, 5. Complete exercises 1 through 5. Pause the video and at the end we'll check our answers. Objective 3. When you've completed this objective, you'll be able to extract specific information from specifications. Your ability to read a set of specifications requires an understanding of the order of the different divisions and their sections. Although continued attempts are made by industry to standardize the general layout of specifications, variations can occur. When reading a particular set of specifications, it is your responsibility to determine its general layout. Objective 3 exercises. Assume you are given a set of specifications for an electrical installation. Using the information given in this module, Objectives 1 and 2, determine the division or section you would need to best answer the following questions. So complete questions 1 through 7. Pause the video, and at the end we'll check our answers. Okay, Objective 1 answers. Objective 2 answers. And Objective 3 answers. This concludes our review of ILM 030205J, specifications, objectives 1, 2, and 3.